The story in the bowl. Lee's chopsticks danced. In the bowl was the most wonderful food Lee had ever tasted. It was soft, spicy, and made Lee's tongue do a funny, tingly dance. It was Mapo Tofu. That was the best, Lee said, patting a full tummy. But Mama, why is it called Mapo Tofu? Is that a person? Mama smiled. It is a person. It's named after a very kind and clever grandma who lived a long, long time ago, right here in the province of Sichuan. Her name was Grandma Chen, Mama began. She had the kindest eyes and a smile that warmed up the whole room. Her cheeks had tiny little marks, which she called her story sprinkles. One evening, a group of hungry travelers came to her small restaurant. They had walked a long way and their pockets were nearly empty, but their stomachs were rumbling loudly. Grandma Chen wanted to help. She looked in her kitchen. She saw pillowy soft tofu, a little bit of savory meat, and her special jars of spicy chili paste and tingly Sichuan peppercorns. With a spark in her eye, she fired up her wok. Sizzle, pop! She mixed everything together, and a delicious, spicy smell danced out of her kitchen and all the way down the street. She brought a big, bubbling bowl to the travelers. Their eyes opened wide. The tofu was bright red and smelled incredible. They took a bite. Wow, they shouted. It's spicy and tingly and so good. What is this amazing dish called? One traveler asked. Because of the little story sprinkles on her cheeks, people affectionately called her Mapo, which meant the grandma with the marks. So they named it after her. Mama finished. They called it Mapo Tofu, and people have been loving her delicious, tingly tofu ever since. Lee smiled, now knowing the secret story in the bowl.